mamaya na ako.
For me, I think also Trisha was wrong to say what she said. So I'm the type that would be quiet if something like that happened. But if you can speak your mind and then say what's wrong, then it's fine. Like Karen decided to confront her, then I think it's okay.
Lahat, mainit ang ulo kahit ako, pero ako, choice ko na, tumahimik na lang. Ewan ko sa kanila, lahat naman tayo may choice sa bawat buhay natin, di ba?
Sabi kumuha kami ng mahahabang poles ng kawayan. Kinabitan namin ng bola sa dulo.